Hello and welcome to a new video. And in this video I'm going to talk about a project that I have been working on for a long time now. And it's a project that will bring airsofters closer together around the world in any branch of airsoft possible. And yes, I'm talking about Airsoft United. A month ago we released a teaser, a trailer, or whatever you want to call it, to show what we built. Well, what we changed. Because before I start this video, I need to give you some background about the website. The website has been running for 6 years now, and it was mainly focused on Belgium. Well, it was only focused on Belgium because we had the need to have something to find our events or show what we have airsoft-wise in Belgium. And we got a lot of questions of people around the world asking if they could use the concept. And instead of just making different concepts in different countries, we decided to make one big website for the whole world. And with airsofters from around the world, we sat down and we made airsofmunited.com. And after months of working on the website, we decided it was time to launch it. And last month we released that teaser, and it was go time for everybody that wanted to use it. Now, the whole idea behind the website is to give the airsofter a place to find anything airsoft related that he's looking for. Also, the website is player driven, what means that players need to add their information or data or anything airsoft related to the website so other people can use it or find it. It's also bringing a lot of different airsoft types together. For example, you will find milsim, you will find speedsoft target shooting, or just the normal open events. You will be able to find woodland, CQB, you will be able to find speedsoft locations, but I will go over what is on the website in a second or minute, depending on how long I talk about this intro part. And because the database is worldwide, you will be able to find anything airsoft related in countries nearby or even far away, depending on where you want to play. For me, I love to go to international events, but it's a hell to find events on any website, forum, Facebook group. So with this website, event organizer can just put the event on it and I can find events in the whole world. Now, what can you do on Airsoft United? Well, like I said, you can find airsoft related stuff. And I think the best way of showing you what you can do on it is just go over the website and show you how it works. Now, the first thing that you need to know is that you have two types of accounts on Airsoft United. You have the Airsofter account and you have the event organizer account. Almost everybody will be an Airsofter, and only the event organizers have to choose the event organizer account. So what you do is you make an account on Airsoft United. I already have one, duh. So let's use my account to go over it. Now, you will be able to use the website if you're not logged in, but by logging in or having an account, it gives you more options to work with. Now, as you can see, the homepage, if you're not logged in, is just some information what Airsoft United is, and there is a banner to point you to if you want more information about what is going on in Canada. As soon as you log in with your account, you will see that your homepage will change. Now, after time, that homepage will change a little bit. Now it's just showing you all the new stuff that is coming on Airsoft United. But in time, we will all make some preferences so you can choose how your homepage will look like. But that's something for the future. Now, if you see Airsoft United in a whole, there are three menus that you can choose from. You got the main menu on top, you got the user menu on the left, and the navigation menu also on the left. We will go over the menus to show you what you can do with it. Now, the main menu is to browse anything that is on the website. The user menu is for your personal things that you uploaded or your personal account, and navigation is to add stuff to the website. Now, if we start with the main menu, you can see that we have a few tabs. The home tab just brings you to the home page. The event tab will show you all the events that are on the website. And here you can see that you can filter on different things from an event. For example, if you want to go to an open event, a milsim, a speedsoft event, target shooting event, or whatever, you will be able to filter those out. And if you're a fan of CQB or woodland, you can filter here on CQB woodland or CQB woodland areas. And this is something that we try to do in the whole website. We give you a list of data and you will be able to filter on as many things as you want. Now, if you go to the next tab, that's the organizers tab, and that's all the event organizers that are on the website. And you can go to their organizer page on the website and you can find some more information. For example, let's take Burget events. You will see some basic information about Burget events. You will see what locations they play on and also their upcoming events. Well, it has been cancelled, but it's still on there just to show how it works. And here you already can see that the data on Airsoft United is linked in a unique way. For example, an organizer is linked to locations, and if you go to a location, you will see that there are organizers linked to that location, but there are also teams that have that as their favorite location. And if you go back to the organizer page, you will see that there are events on it, and if you click on the event, you will see the location. And as I said, everything on Airsoft United is linked in a unique way. If you go to the next tab, the event and organizer tab is mainly just event things. And if you go to the next tab, that's the Airsoft map. And in the Airsoft map, you will see every location that is added to the website. And that will go over the locations, the shops, and the teams. If you click on the Airsoft map, it will give you an overview of the map. And again, you can filter on the things that you want to see. If you want to see location, shop, or team, just click the boxes and it will change, click apply, and it will show you only the locations. And if you want to just filter on the location, for example, Belgium, and yes, there are more locations now in Belgium because the website has been running for 5 years in Belgium now. And you can see more pins showing up in different countries, but it's pretty cool. Now, if I click apply, you can see that all the other pins disappear and only the ones in Belgium remain. And if you zoom in, you will have a more precise ID where the locations are located. Now this is the same thing for the shops and the teams, it's just a different color, and if you click some pin, you will go to that location. For example, this is Dark Forest. And again, you will see the gameplay videos. I will go over that in a second. Now this is the map, but you also have the different lists of the things that are on the map. If you want to go to the list, there are a few options to do that. You can click on the locations below the map, or you can use the main menu and click on the locations. And that again will give you filter options. You can filter on your country or just a location name or the type of location. Now this tab will show you that we want to keep the closed locations also on the website because gameplay videos are linked on locations. And if we delete the closed locations, you will not be able to filter on those locations anymore. And what's more fun than looking back to locations that have been closed down and look back at the footage that has been linked to that location. And the same thing goes for shops. You will be able to filter on anything possible that is shop related. And if you want to see more information about the shop, you just click it and it shows you the basic information about that shop. And because we are on this shop page, I will just explain another cool feature, that is the discount codes. Users can add their discount codes to their profile. And if you choose a shop to link that discount code to, it will show up on the shop page. For example, Skinny Bitch has her discount code of the Airsoft shop on the website. And if you go to her profile, you will see that she got 2 discount codes on her profile. She got one for Airsoft shop, but she also got one for Wily X. And if you go to Wily X, you will see that 2 people have discount codes for Wily X on the website. So you can just pick one and save 20% in that shop. Now the last thing on the Airsoft map thing is the teams. You can add your own Airsoft team and you can add yourself to your Airsoft team. What means that anything that is linked to you will be linked to your team. You can also select your favorite fields in your team. Let's take an example of my team, 25th Mountaineers. You will be able to add some pictures. You will be able to see the team members of that team, and you will find the locations that we like to play on. And all that information is summarized in the Airsoft map. Now the next tab is the content, and the Airsoft map is everything that has a location. The content is anything media related, gameplay, review, tutorials, unboxings, or just brands. And if you click on content, you will see that you get a list of all the newest content that has been added, but there is no filter option because this is just an overview of everything that is on the website. If you want to go filter down on gameplay or just media, you click on gameplay videos and you will have your filter options. Now, as you can see, for now, there are almost 250 Airsoft videos online. I know there are a lot of content creators out there. If you want to add your own videos, don't hesitate and make an account and just add your gameplay videos to your fields that you have been playing on. Again, here you can filter on a lot of things. You can filter on the type of event that you want to see, or you want to filter on the type of field that you want to see videos of. Now we also see that there is a language option, and those 3 things are still in beta. That means that we are searching for the best configuration for that. I will talk about the beta thing a little bit later. But there is a language option. Now the gameplay videos on Airsoft United are linked to other video websites, for example, YouTube, Vimeo, or Facebook. So you will be able to add your YouTube links, Vimeo links, or Facebook links. And if somebody watches the video on Airsoft United, you will get your view on YouTube, Vimeo, or Facebook. Now the video has some basic information like where it was and when it was, to be able to filter on it as easy as possible. Now media is anything that is a review, a tutorial, an unboxing, or a vlog, or a blog, because you can not only add videos to Airsoft United, but you can also just link your blogs or text reviews to it. And it goes the same way as adding a video. I will give you some more information about how to add content on the website, but now I just want to go over the main menu and how everything is linked together. Now, I was talking about the gameplay videos, and gameplay videos are linked on a location. So if you go to a location, you'll be able to find the gameplay videos that are linked to that location. Same thing goes for the media. All the media is linked to a brand. And if you go to the brand list, you'll be able to find all the media that is on that brand. For example, if we go to this video, my latest video, you'll be able to see that this is linked to ICS. And if you scroll down on the brand, you will be able to see all the videos that are linked with ICS. And you can do that with any brand. And all the media that you add or gameplay that you add will also be linked to your profile. That's why you can see my logo here. And the last part of the content menu is the brands. And as I said, all media is linked to brands. Here you have a list of all the brands that are already on the website. But for example, if your brand is not on the website, just add it. Make an account and you will be able to add your brand. And if you talk to the people that make review videos about your brand, you can ask them to link their videos to your brand, and you will have a collection of all the videos or text reviews that are out there, and they will be here on your brand page. For example, if we, I already showed you the ICS page, so you know how it goes. And the last tab on the main menu is the legal tab. That's the privacy policy, terms and conditions, and the cookie policy. If you want to read that, go ahead. There is a lot of technical information in there, but I will not go over that right now. Now the next tab is the navigation tab. That's the easiest one to explain a little bit, and that's how to add content to the website. And as an airsofter, you can add 7 types of content. As an event organizer, you can add some different types, but as an airsofter, you can add a brand, a discount code, a gameplay video, a location, a media, a shop, or your team. And if you want help with adding one of those to your account or on the website, there are some help videos in the user menu that we're still making new ones, but it takes time to make them. And some of them are already out there. So let me click on it and you can see that there are some help videos about how to make your account, an organizer account, how to add your Airsoft team, an Airsoft brand, or a discount code. Now, if you still have questions on how to add stuff to the website, don't hesitate and contact us on the contact form or Facebook, or you can contact me personally on my Instagram, Facebook, or on YouTube. All the things that you add in the navigation menu will be used on the website. And if you add something to the website, it will first go to our moderators, what means that it will not be published right away. We, with the moderator crew, we will check if everything is correct and everything is filled in. And if there are problems, we will contact you to fix the little problems. And then the content will be published and everybody can use it. Now, the last menu that I want to talk to you about is the user menu. And the user menu is, as it says, it's your own menu. There you can find your account, you can find your event if they use the ticket system that is built in the website. So if you're an event organizer and you want to have some more information about that, I will not go over this in this video because that will take us way too far, but I will try to make a special one just for events. And then you have my gameplay videos. That's all the gameplay videos that you added. My media, that's your media that you added. And I will just open one up. For example, my media, that will show you all the media that you have added to the website and the status of that. And that's just an easy way to find all the stuff. If you want to edit something of your videos, you will be able to have your list here. Now the content is all the content that you added. That can be location, brand, a team, a discount code, or I think that's it. Yes. And if you want to contact us, you can use this contact form. And as I said, the help thingy is all the videos with all the help thing. Now I kept my account thing as last because that's the biggest one. Now in your account, you will find your basic information, your personal information, and also your Airsoft information. And as you can see, I have my team here, my Airsoft start date, my social media, just some basic information, and some gear information, and the favorite locations that I like to play on. But as you can see, and as I said, my gameplay videos are also linked to my account, and you can find them on my account page. Same goes for all the media that I have added. And then if you click the edit tab, there are 2 tabs, and those are mostly missed for some reason. And we will try to make them a little bit more right in your face, because people forget to change their Airsoft information. And in the account section, that's your personal information. And that shows your personal information. I will not go over that, that's just my personal information. And if you go to the Airsoft tab, that's your Airsoft information, and that's the information that is online on the website. For example, when was your start date, your team, your information, and the social media, like I said before. And in the bottom, you can see the new feature that we added is that you can add your favorite location to it. Now, why is Airsoft United different than anything else out there? Well, for starters, we're not using any algorithms to show you information. You as a player will choose what information that you will see. That means that if your channel has 1 million subscribers or 1 subscriber, you will have the same level of importance on the website. As a player, you need to find the information that you're searching for, and this is why we have all the filter options. Another thing is that we are not ad driven. The website is free and will always be free for players, for event organizers, for brands to promote themselves on it, make an account on it, and put information on the website itself. Now, I told you that I need to talk about the language of the website. Because this is an international platform, we wanted to keep one international language, and we chose for English. But we don't want to exclude any other languages out there in the world, because we know there is a big Spanish, German, Portuguese communities out there that make videos in their own language. They can still add their videos or media to the website, but they will have to have English subtitles. So everybody around the world that can speak English will be able to understand everything that is on the website. And if you still just want to see the German videos, you will be able to filter on the German language. Now, we're still adding features to it, and we will be keeping adding features in the future, and it's important to get your feedback as a player. So if you see anything that is out of place or just wrong, just contact us on the website or on Facebook, and we will get in contact and try to figure something out or fix the bug. If you want to keep up to date about all the updates that have been done on the website, on the bottom of the website there is a link, April 2021 updates. And if you click that, you will be seeing all the updates that we have doing during the last months. And we will try to make some more update lists like this in the near future. Now, Airsoft United can only grow if people add information to it. It's a player-driven platform, and we need the help of every player around the world. If you want to search information about Airsoft, consider adding some information to the website. For example, if you go to the map and your country is like, there are no pins in your country, see if you can add your favorite shop or your team. Now, before I end the video, I want to ask you to just go to Airsoft United and make an account on it and just play around with it a little bit and see how you like it, and add some information to it, because it's because of you, the player, that this platform will be able to grow in the future. And before I really end the video, go to the homepage of Airsoft United and check out the link that is on the homepage for Canada, because they really need the help of airsofters around the world. And if you don't know what to do, just go to that page. There is a lot of information on that webpage to see what you will be able to do to help them. And with this last thing, I will be wishing you a good day, and I'll see you all next week for a new video. Bye!